Hi, this is Gunter. Welcome to Chaos on the Beach 2.
Roxy, how do you stay calm while driving through absolute mayhem?
I don't. I just aim for the loudest explosion and hope for a good story.
Is this how you imagined the film would turn out?
I was writing a quiet romance. I don't know what happened.
So, what's it like running this place?
It's like herding cats. Naked, sunburned cats.
Any beach rules we should know about?
Pet me, feed me, then leave me alone.
Is this a casual beach day or a blog shoot pretending to be casual?
I stopped knowing the difference.
Are those Crocs or a warning?
Both. Step too close and they bite back.
Hey, is that the Elder Wand in your nose?
Limited edition. Only hurts when I sneeze lightning.
What's your survival strategy out here?
Lie still. Hope someone brings fruit.
What's your honest review of this pool?
Water, fine. Vibe, depends on who shows up.
If you had to win over 500 followers, what's your game plan?
Easy. I just turn slowly and say nothing.
What's your go-to trick for more likes?
Post consistently and smile like you mean it.